In today's video, I'm going to share with you my #1 favorite tool. Why did I just do this with my hands? In this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 favorite tool for running webinars. If you're new here, my name is Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com, and I put out new tech tutorials every Tuesday and Thursday to help you grow your online business. So before I share the tool, let's talk about what webinars are. So webinars are just an online presentation that you do in front of a live audience. And you're probably thinking, oh my God, why would I do that? Webinars are, in my opinion, one of the most effective ways of generating more sales in your online business. It's a really great way to connect with your audience, and in about an hour you can provide a ton of value and really show that you're an expert in whatever it is that you're doing before you ask for the sale. So I absolutely love them, but as you can imagine, most people, when they're gearing up to do their first one, are pretty nervous about it because of all of the moving pieces and the fact that it is live. But the tool that I recommend is going to help you with that a lot. So the tool is called Crowdcast, and the #1 reason that I love it is because it takes away all of the tech stress of running a webinar. So you're already a little bit nervous because you need to remember what to say, and you're going live, and it could be, depending on how big your audience is, you could be presenting in front of a few hundred people at a time. So it is a bit nerve-wracking, even though you can't actually see the people on the other end. So you can really just pretend you're doing it alone by yourself at home. And that, should take away some of those nervous feelings. So yeah, the #1 reason is that it's incredibly easy to set up and takes away all of the tech stress of running your webinar. Reason #2 is that the setup is really fast. So now that I've used Crowdcast a few times, I can literally set up a webinar in 5 minutes and be ready to go. So there are other options for sure. There is a free option where you can use YouTube Live and then embed it on one of your website pages and then use a little plugin to get the chat section. And you can totally do that, and that is free, but for some people that's, that's just adding to the stress because you're having to piece different softwares together. So for me, when I'm doing a webinar, I just want to be focused on the webinar and the content that I'm delivering, and not worried about the tech and whether it's going to work. So there is a cost to Crowdcast. The cheapest plan is $49 a month, but I do feel that it's worth it. And if you go with a free option and you're spending all this time piecing different things together, well, time is money, and that's your time that you're wasting doing that. So basically, once I tried Crowdcast and did one webinar with it, I was a total fan, and I wasn't moving to any other platform. So far I've told you that it takes away the tech stress of running a webinar, it's easy to set up, and it's fast, but there are a few other reasons that I love it. I love that it's been really reliable for me, so I've never had any issue with going live, even when I ran a webinar from Bali. And that can be a little tough with the internet connection here. So it was perfect for me the whole time. It has a really easy to manage chat right on the right side, and it's in real time, so there's never any lag, which I really appreciated. The first webinar I did, I can remember, there was a 30-second lag, and it was really awkward. So you don't have to worry about that, which is good. Another reason is your replay is automatically generated, and it's with the same link that you use to share out your webinar, so that makes pre-scheduling your emails really easy. So I can just, I do all of that ahead of time. Second is that it's really easy to generate a call to action button right below your video, and you can keep this hidden until the pitch part of your presentation, and it's super easy to set up. So you set that before you go live, and then whenever you want to go live, you literally just click show, and it will show a button, and you can link out to your sales page for your product. And lastly, they recently released a Zapier integration. If you don't know what Zapier is, basically it's this web tool that allows you to connect all of these different tools. So for example, I can connect Crowdcast and my email marketing platform, which is ConvertKit, and that's all done automatically. So those are the reasons why I absolutely love Crowdcast. I actually have a new mini course coming out soon, which is going to show you in little bite-sized videos, step-by-step, exactly what to do to set up your first webinar using Crowdcast. So if you're interested in that, make sure you get on my list below. I will leave a link to it in the description. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video really useful, and I would love for you to hit subscribe to this channel so that you can catch all new videos. Bye!